Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul. A couple of spots, and my lighting is terrible in here. It's dark. Let's see, Michael's Toast Morning Walmart. These are just some like X-Acto blades. I was gonna try this brand out. They were less than $2 for these blades. $1.50 I think it was. They also had X-Acto knife for like, well, X-Acto of course is a copyrighted name, but this brand Excel knife for like $2.91 or something. And I think this was maybe it was $1.25. I don't know, but anyway, it was cheap, so I got it. And I just got this from Walmart, near Craft Owl. Hashtag best friends, create, inspire, dream, hooray. Hi, thank you, love you, celebrate, hashtag girl squad, awesome, happy, sweet, and go girl, with a couple hashtags. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's $2.84. Then I went to Michael's, just a couple of little things from Michael's. And let's see, what did I get from there? I went to go get some ink. And I went to go get some Memento Tuxedo Black. I thought I was going to try this, although I use Ranger as my ink of choice, Archival Ranger, to stamp with my Spectrum Noirs. A lot of people talk about this one, but I was going to try it, but I haven't had a problem with my Rangers at all. And I did have a pad of this a long time ago, and it didn't work, so, with my Spectrum Noir. So I was going to try it again, just to see, because people swear by it. Anyway, I did pick up, and I also was going to get me some books. Whoops. And I'll share that. But anyway, I ended up getting off of clearance. I found this stamp set for $2 and I think 97 cents. But it was regular price, so at $9.99, $7.99. Anyway, this one is the Little Miss Maker Planner Life. This is what the stamps look like. I like it because it says, stay home and craft, amen, make a do. The craft room is calling. And of course it's got a rotary phone. Y'all both don't know what that is. And you know, it's got your glue guns, it's got send some happy mail. But anyway, just some little cute little stamps that you can use for flat price. I thought it was cute. And I didn't mean to get this. This was, I picked it up, I meant to put it back after I checked the price. But I may keep it, I don't know. I think I might take it back. Nothing wrong with it, but it was I hadn't planned on getting it. I was just planning on getting this. I was just pricing some stuff, not paying attention. But this is in clearance too. The cat dog stamp set by Delusions, and you've seen that before. That's nothing new. I just happened to make pants out. But I was going to get me a couple journals, and both of these are dot on paper, and they lay flat. And what I wanted with this was, I really have to get back to writing. Oh my gosh, I write poetry. Haven't written in a long time, and I used to journal, and I definitely haven't journaled in a long time either. So I wanted to try to get back to it, and so I was remembering, you know, just thinking about what I used to do to get me in the mood to journal again. And I was watching The Reset Girl. And I seen this video a couple years ago. It was like 3 years ago now, with the commonplace books. I don't know if you've seen those before, but she did a crafty version of it. And I thought that one I could see me being more inspired. And I also was watching like the sketch notes. I like that too, except I'm not really an artist. But sketch notes is a visual way, like when you're taking notes from a book that you're reading, or a lecture, or anything that you're trying to learn to memorize, you can do sketch notes. So I'm just looking at some kind of visual way to express myself in written format versus in just artistic layouts. So, and I remember, and I went back and I Googled the Reset Girl, because I remember a couple years ago I thought about doing it, and then I just never tried it. And she did like a commonplace book, but she made it into a crafty commonplace book. So I was thinking about doing it like with reading, and then maybe just getting, you know, I read the Bible every day, so I thought maybe I can do one for the Bible, and maybe for whatever else I pick up and read, or just one for inspiration, because I think the red one is going to be maybe for inspiration, something creative, and I think this one is probably going to be I know I read the Bible every day, so that one definitely, when I pick a book up or not, I have that I can use in there. But it may be some other books or another book. But anyway, that was my thinking. One would be for a book and one would be just for inspiration. So, to make those type of books. And I probably preset my pages. Just like I'm going to do some with my journal. I mean my, what do you call that thing? Planner this year. Then I just picked up some stuff on Tuesday morning. I mean, you know that was going to be in this haul, didn't you? And this is nothing new. This has been out for a while. So I picked up the Kelly's Details of Life for $3.99. 213-8135. You can see that. I think you can use your, like a 1-inch to punch that out. But I like all the little sayings that you can put inside of the stamp. Inside of the clock. Inside of the circle. I cannot talk. Anyway, that's what I got. This is another one that I meant to put back because I've seen this stamp has been out for, this die has been out for a long time. 2166460, but they're out again, with this last set of tonic stuff. It just says Metro like a diner, but I really don't need that one. So that one's going back. And I did pick up some more of the little gemstones, the 3 different sizes for $1.99. It's 2188824. And I think I may have these. If I do, they're going back, but if I don't, I keep them. These are $1.99. This is My Mind's Eye, the little journaling cards. I do have the paper and the other stuff to go along with this whole Tutti Frutti series, but I wasn't sure if I had these or not. So you can kind of see those journaling cards. It's 215-8648. And this is Possum Poodle, 2166559. And it says, "You are totally possum." Little French poodle. And then the cat one, "You're the cat's meow." No, the cat's whiskers, sorry. 2166563. I'm still on the fence about both of those. I might take those back. I don't know. I think I was just in the mood to pick some up at the first Tuesday morning store. And then this one is Believe stamp, and it's 2209656, and it says, "I believe in blank," and fill in the blank: coffee, donuts, chocolate, or you. Nice size stamp for $3.99. Then I got another planner stamp, which is Heidi Swap, and it says the months and the days of the year and a couple other stuff. You can do like ratings, the best day, the okayest day. I love that saying. Remembered, nailed it. And you can kind of see those. There's 65 stamps in there, little ones. And the number is 214-6436 for $2.99. And then these 3 are the last ones. And these, they had some other ones, but I had like the other ones I had. This one is called Wishes for $3.99. Sending cheerful thoughts your way. Thank you for all the things you do. May your day be filled with sunshine. Thoughts of you flutter by on a breeze. Tender garden and beautiful flowers will appear. Thank you. You are thoughtful. You're so thoughtful. Thanks for being with. I cannot read. You're so thoughtful. Thanks for listening with your heart. Nurture a friend, and an enduring friendship will bloom. And so that one is 2207631. I like the little swirl to the sentiments. This right here, because I gave up desserts again before my birthday. It says, "Eat dessert first. Life is sweet. Have a sweet birthday." So I will not have any dessert on my birthday. And this is 2207656. But pretty stamps. Pretty stamps. And last but not least, this is Anchor, and it's 2207639. And this one, it says, "Set sail for a fabulous birthday adventure. Hope anchors the soul. Wishing you smooth sailing. Let your dreams set sail. We cannot direct the winds of life, but we can adjust the sails. You can't discover a new land without losing sight of the shore. You are my anchor in the storm of life. That is just nice, inspirational, encouraging quotes that you could always send to somebody that needs to be uplifted. So, anyway, I got to think about what I'm going to keep. If I want to keep some of these, some of them make okay. I was in one of those like half moods when I was shopping. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.